Okay, I'm back, and today I'm going to make not the donkey that carried Mary to Bethlehem because that was a boy. In my mind, it was a boy. And so I'm going to make his friend a girl donkey, not his girlfriend, just a friend. And so she's gonna be, but this is actually this is her his this is Donkey that carried was the ancestor of this girl because she's going to be much more of a Lucy girl than probably would have been around during the time that Jesus was born. She's going to have on, she's going to be hot pink accents with pink and white polka dots. I'm going to still make her a donkey. She's still going to have a brown face and brown arms. But she's going to be pretty much wild. And I'm going to tell you, she's going to be so fancy. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I've actually made a little pattern. She's going to have on a onesie underneath her outfit. She's not going to come off to a blunt rectangle. I've already created this. I've drawn it. So I'm going to actually, something, to see things, sometimes you need to put it on top of something different color. Okay, so I'm going to make a pattern. I'll share this pattern on my website, JackiKellum.com. It's going to take me a while to get the videos prepared and to get all the instructions and patterns ready for you. A couple of days, but I will provide you with all these patterns free. And let me say again, I'm actually doing this. This is November 3rd, 2022. On October 18th, 2022, my debut picture book, The Donkey Song, was released in Doubletree for Young Readers, which is a division of Random House children's books, published that book, and I'm doing a bunch of different kinds of arts and crafts activities for children, and actually it's also kind of good for librarians and for authors because it's a marketing. I'll call it like it is. It's a marketing device. But I'll say this over and over again. If you don't have a way to market yourself, guess what? Your book may sit at Amazon forever. I don't know. I don't know that for a fact. But I'm at least I'm going to give my donkey song a fair shot. I'm going to do a lot of fun things. I'm going to do this, and then starting around the 1st of December, or I may start it on November 27th, but I'm going to do a series of Advent exercises to teach the Bible story before Jesus was born, and also because there are a lot of people who have no idea who Jesus is, or they haven't been raised in and I actually think I'm actually kind of into Greek mythology. I think even if you aren't Christian, I think that the story it's a good story for everybody, and I want everybody to know this story. So there. Okay, now look what I've done. I've created this little onesie, but I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to make a skirt for her. And guess what? That's her underwear. This is her little t-shirt upper top. Let me see what I got to put on there. What color should her navy